How's it going out there in YouTube land? Blah, 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 blah. How's it going, everybody out there in YouTube land? It is a nice chilly day here in Wisconsin. Hopefully you guys are having fun where you're at and everything's going great. I'm here with the skidoo project. Haha. I'm gonna put the thermostat in. We are also gonna check for some air leaks. So I'm gonna spray and check for some air leaks because it was idling really high and I don't want it to run lean, so I don't want it to blow up. And that's one of the concerns. I want to make sure this thing is solid, so when I do go to sell it, if someone buys it, or when someone buys it, that's going to last them. It's not just going to blow up on them. It's going to run great. So we got her back there in the background. We're going to get her opened up. We're going to grab the thermostat. We're going to put this thermostat in. And come on, mothercrackers! Woohoo! That was fun, but that was fast and easy. Hose, 2 bolts, 1, 2. Pretty simple stuff. So we got that. So guys, this will be probably a pretty damn short video here, but that's okay. We're gonna find out what's going on. I put the new thermostat in it, and we're gonna check her out. So, on to the next video. Why are we overheating? So, we're gonna figure that one out, and we'll be back with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our little ride we had today. It was pretty fun. This is Flippin' Mike signing off. Yee!